Hello and welcome back to the Cook to Flourish Kitchen. This is Robin Cook and I am so excited to share with you a zesty garlic scape roasted broccoli. Now if you're thinking, what in the world are garlic scapes? Well, they are in season right now. So right before we hit summertime, we have these really cool garlic scapes. So these grow from the top of the garlic. The garlic is down under the dirt and this comes up above the dirt here pretty high. So you can use this as a spice or an herb to add extra flavor to a dish like this roasted broccoli dish. So what you want to do is preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Then you're going to need 3 cups of fresh broccoli florets. Toss those together in 1 teaspoon of avocado oil, some pink Himalayan sea salt or real salt, some pepper, and then 2 tablespoons of minced garlic scapes. Of course, if you don't have these, you could do a little bit less of fresh pressed or minced garlic cloves. You could do maybe a teaspoon or something like that. Toss that all together, put that in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes, bring it out, and then while that is cooking though, you can make the zesty sauce. So this is what you're going to need. You are going to need 1 tablespoon of the Heavenly Olive Oil's Milanese Gremolata olive oil. So you're going to put that into your bowl. You're also going to need 1 tablespoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice. So we're going to put that into the bowl. 1 teaspoon of organic tahini into the bowl, and then 1 tablespoon of more minced garlic scapes into our bowl, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, a little bit more salt, a little bit more pepper in here, and then also we're going to do some organic lemon zest. You always want to use organic lemon zest to avoid extra pesticides and things like that. So I believe that's everything that we need here in our little sauce mixture. So now it's time to bring it all together. So we're just going to put the broccoli into our cute little bowl here. Now you could just stop and just make the garlic scape roasted broccoli. That would be delicious in and of itself. Or you could even just add a little bit of organic lemon zest to your roasted broccoli, call it great. But we're gonna take it one extra step today, and we are going to put a little zesty garlic scape sauce on top here and just toss it all together. So just get a little pair of tongs or a spatula and just kind of toss it together here. Just add some extra flavor, add some extra antioxidants now with the raw garlic scapes, and of course with our lemon zest, the healthy fats from the tahini and the olive oil, and the tahini makes it a little bit more creamy. And tahini, of course, is from sesame seeds. All right, so now that we have our tossed broccoli here, isn't that wonderful? Just to make it a little bit extra fancy, we're gonna take a little bit more of our lemon and we're just going to zest a little bit more of the lemon zest on top. And of course, you could put any walnuts in here if you wanted to. You could toss this in with spaghetti squash. You could use that as a side dish, but I hope that you all really enjoy this zesty garlic scape roasted broccoli. God bless you, and we will see you again soon in the Cook to Flourish kitchen.